Hey everyone, and welcome to the Analyst. This is Islam.mohamed, a professional business analyst and instructor. Today we're talking about social media content analysis. This is a powerful tool that can help you understand your audience, improve your content, and grow your channel. What is social media content analysis? Social media content analysis is the process of collecting and analyzing data from social media platforms to gain insights into audience behavior, trends, and topics of interest. This data can be used to improve your social media marketing strategy, create more engaging content, and reach a wider audience. How to do social media content analysis. The first step in social media content analysis is to choose the right tools. There are a number of different tools available, both free and paid. Some popular tools include Google Analytics, Sprout Social, and BuzzSumo. Once you have chosen a tool, you need to decide what data you want to collect. This will depend on your specific goals. For example, if you're interested in understanding your audience demographics, you might collect data on age, gender, and location. If you're interested in improving your content engagement, you might collect data on likes, shares, and comments. Once you have collected your data, you need to analyze it to identify trends and insights. This can be done using a variety of methods, such as quantitative analysis, qualitative analysis, and sentiment analysis. How to use social media content analysis to improve your YouTube channel. Social media content analysis can be used to improve your YouTube channel in a number of ways. For example, you can use it to understand your audience demographics and interests so that you can create more relevant content. Identify trending topics and keywords so that you can create videos that are more likely to be seen by your target audience. Track your content performance and identify what's working well and what's not. Compare your performance to other YouTubers in your niche. Conclusion: social media content analysis is a powerful tool that can help you improve your YouTube channel. By collecting and analyzing data from social media platforms, you can gain insights into your audience, identify trends, and track your content performance. This information can then be used to create more engaging content and reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of social media content analysis and how you can use it to improve your YouTube channel.